Project Stargate isn't just another tech investment. It's the starting pistol in a global war for AI supremacy that could change our world forever, or potentially hand unprecedented power to those who control it. Today, we're exploring Project Stargate, a mind-bogglingly ambitious plan to build the world's most powerful AI infrastructure. We'll explore what this project is all about, the potential benefits it promises, and the serious risks it poses, especially in context of a rapidly escalating AI arms race. By the end of the video, you'll have a clear understanding of why Project Stargate is such a big deal, the good it can bring, and the potential dangers it represents. Plus, we'll look at how other companies are responding to the challenge that Stargate represents. So, what's the big picture here? With the world's tech giants and even nations now in an all-out war to develop the most powerful AI, who will come out on top? And what will that mean for the rest of us? This project involves not just the likes of OpenAI and SoftBank, but also Oracle, led by Larry Ellison, a player with a controversial vision of how AI should be used. And his words might send chills down your spine. Stick around till the end of the video for that. The stakes are higher than ever before. Global technological dominance, economic upheaval, and the very future of freedom and privacy are all on the line. To understand this project, let's break down what Project Stargate actually is. Imagine a network of AI data centers so massive they dwarf anything we have today. That's the vision behind Project Stargate. And here's why some are calling it a game changer. We're talking about a proposed $500 billion investment to build out AI infrastructure on an unprecedented scale. The stated goals: to secure American leadership in AI, create thousands of jobs, boost economic growth, and revolutionize industries. The key players behind this audacious plan include SoftBank, OpenAI, Oracle, MGX, NVIDIA, and ARM. Each brings crucial expertise and resources to the table. SoftBank, led by Masayoshi Son, will be chairman of the Stargate project and is a lead equity investor. Some speculate that SoftBank's primary motivation might be to boost the value of their ARM holdings, especially given their recent financial challenges. Rumor is that SoftBank will invest $100 to $200 billion. OpenAI, the lead operational partner, will oversee the construction of the data centers. However, there are internal debates within OpenAI about the pace and direction of AI development, with some advocating for a more cautious approach. Oracle is a major equity funder as well as a technology partner. MGX is a $100 billion fund that is an additional investing partner. Another technology partner is ARM, a chip company producing mostly mobile chips. Microsoft is a key technology partner with an existing partnership with OpenAI. Microsoft will continue to support OpenAI, but it is not clear what Microsoft's role in Stargate is, if any. NVIDIA is also a key technology partner. Oracle will be collaborating closely with NVIDIA and OpenAI to build and operate the computing system. But here's the kicker. All of these advancements are currently held back by major bottlenecks: a lack of sufficient computing power and a lack of the electrical power needed to run it. To train more sophisticated AI models, you need to feed them exponentially more data and perform vastly more complex calculations. This requires a level of computational power and electrical power that current infrastructure simply can't provide. Project Stargate, supported by emergency declarations from the US government, aims to smash through these bottlenecks by building a network of the most powerful AI data centers ever conceived. So, what are the potential upsides? Well, if Project Stargate succeeds, we could see major breakthroughs in various fields. We're talking about potentially revolutionizing healthcare, with AI diagnosing diseases earlier and creating personalized treatments. Larry Ellison has a detailed vision of how this can be achieved with electronic health records and cancer vaccines, using AI to analyze patient data and develop targeted therapies in record time. Beyond healthcare, the project promises to create thousands of jobs in construction, operation, and research, and stimulate economic growth across various sectors. And it's not just about medicine. Project Stargate could also accelerate scientific discovery in areas like materials science and energy research, potentially leading to breakthroughs we can't even imagine today. Project Stargate could be a monumental leap forward, bringing advancements we can barely imagine today, and potentially creating a new era of prosperity, while solving the crucial compute and power problems. However, this rapid advancement isn't happening in a vacuum. In fact, it's become a highly competitive global race. But this is where the story takes a darker turn, because with such power comes the potential for unprecedented control. The announcement of Project Stargate wasn't just a press release, it was a declaration of war, an AI arms race that has the potential to make the Cold War look like a minor disagreement. Project Stargate is forcing other nations and companies to accelerate their own AI development. We're entering an era where AI could be the ultimate strategic asset. While the US and China are major players, it's not just a two-horse race. Expect to see many consortiums of countries and companies pooling resources to compete on the global stage. The winner, or winners, of this race may have a significant advantage for many years to come, so expect many different groups to try and win this race. Even former OpenAI employees are raising alarms about the race to AGI, saying that whoever gets there first will have godlike powers. And speaking of OpenAI, it's worth noting they're wanting to shift from a purely non-profit organization to a for-profit model. This hints at the powerful commercial forces driving these advancements and the potential conflict between their original mission and these new pressures. And they're not alone. In response to Stargate, other players are entering the arena. We're starting to see other major products being announced. Microsoft has committed $80 billion this year for data centers. And Kevin O'Leary is fundraising for a $70 billion data center in Alberta, Canada. Mark Zuckerberg has also announced $65 billion for an AI data center. It's important to remember that OpenAI will continue to increase its use of Microsoft Azure, even while it's working on Project Stargate with Oracle and SoftBank. This highlights the complex web of partnerships and competition in the AI space. Project Stargate has lit the fuse on a global AI arms race, and the consequences could be far-reaching. Other players are now entering the arena too, making the landscape even more complex and competitive, with many different groups vying for a top position. But the real danger isn't just about nations competing, it's about what this technology could do in the wrong hands. What if the very technology designed to improve our lives ends up being used against us? That's not science fiction, it's a very real possibility with the rise of AI. As AI systems become more capable, they will inevitably automate tasks currently performed by humans, potentially leading to significant job losses across various sectors. Imagine a world where algorithms decide your future, where your job, your loan application, even your freedom is determined by an AI that you don't understand and can't appeal to. Dario Amodei, CEO of Anthropic, a competitor to OpenAI, warns that we could see class wars if 30% of people lose their jobs to AI. And his 30% figure might even be conservative. There's a risk of a widening digital divide, where the benefits of AI are concentrated in the hands of a few, exacerbating existing inequalities. And to make matters even more complex, there's the black box problem of AI. It can be incredibly difficult to understand how these complex systems arrive at their decisions. This lack of transparency raises serious concerns about accountability, especially if AI is used to make life-altering decisions. The potential for AI to disrupt society and be misused is immense, creating a future where inequality could skyrocket and personal freedoms could be eroded. While the potential for misuse by corporations is concerning, an even greater threat looms: the possibility of governments leveraging this technology for unprecedented surveillance and control. We've all heard the warnings about government surveillance, but Project Stargate could take it to an entirely new level, a level that was once the realm of dystopian novels. Imagine AI-powered facial recognition and car license plate systems deployed across cities, monitoring every move you make. Or AI algorithms analyzing your social media posts to identify potential dissidents. Or maybe even they decide that AI can detect pre-crime, potential crimes that haven't been committed yet. This isn't some far-off fantasy. The technology for this is rapidly developing. Larry Ellison, the head of Oracle, has in the past talked about using AI to analyze data from cameras to monitor public behavior. But this week, he said the quiet part out loud. He said, citizens will be on their best behavior with an AI surveillance system. This indicates there are in fact plans to use this advanced AI to surveil and control the people, likely under the guise of security or efficiency. The potential for governments to use AI to suppress dissent, control populations, and eliminate privacy is a very real and terrifying prospect. Also, with his comments on vaccines, many people noticed that he said that we will be able to create personalized cancer mRNA vaccines. This didn't sit well with many because of what happened with the pandemic. So, with all these risks, is Project Stargate worth it? Let's weigh the scales. On one side, we have the potential for incredible advancements in industry, healthcare, and other areas of scientific discovery, a surge in technological innovation, and a solution to the compute and power bottlenecks that have been holding back AI. On the other side, we have the looming threats of job displacement, growing inequality, and escalating AI arms race with potentially negative societal outcomes, and the chilling possibility of AI-powered government surveillance and repression. Project Stargate is a turning point. It forces us to confront the fundamental question, what kind of future do we want with AI? And how do we ensure that this powerful technology is used responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all humanity? It looks like we'll have a fragmented approach where different countries have vastly different rules, leading to an imbalance of power. We've gone from the dazzling possibilities of AI to the stark realities of an arms race and the potential for unprecedented control. Project Stargate is a double-edged sword. It could lead to incredible advancements, but it could also usher in an era of unprecedented surveillance and control. The AI arms race has begun, and the future is uncertain. It's not a simple us versus them scenario. Many different groups will compete in this race. But ultimately, the AI genie is out of the bottle and cannot be put back inside now. We must forge ahead. Innovation and progress is part of human nature. Project Stargate, despite its risks, is a testament to our drive to push boundaries. We must embrace the positive potential while remaining vigilant and plan for the dangers. Understanding the implications of Project Stargate is crucial. We must demand a future where AI serves humanity, not the other way around, and work towards responsible development and deployment. Let me know your thoughts on Project Stargate and the AI arms race in the comments below. What are your biggest hopes and your biggest fears? Let's shape the future of AI together. Want to unlock the power of AI? Our free newsletter gives you the tips, trends, AI news, and tools you need to succeed. Sign up with the link in the description below. Your journey doesn't stop here. Watch our next video right here and keep building your knowledge.